Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open the Gcash app and sign in with your registered mobile number. Confirm you can receive a one-time OTP on that same number. Update the Gcash app to the latest version in the Google Play or App Store. Keep your 4-digit MPIN ready to re-authenticate during the change. These steps prevent lockout and speed up the process. If you use multiple devices, pick the device that currently stores face recognition data. Tap your profile icon, then open Settings, and select Security and Privacy. Find Biometrics or Face Recognition and tap to open its options. Toggle off face recognition and confirm the action with your 4-digit MPIN. You may receive a one-time OTP to complete the change, so enter it immediately. Wait for the confirmation message that face authentication is disabled. Test login using MPIN or SMS OTP to ensure your account access still works. Open your phone settings and navigate to Biometrics, Face Recognition, or Security. Select the stored face profile and choose Delete or Remove Face Data from the list. Confirm deletion using your device PIN, fingerprint, or password when prompted. After deletion, reopen Gcash and verify that Face Login is unavailable. If the app still shows face authentication, contact Gcash support through the Help Center and app. Provide your registered number and describe the issue for manual cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.